Good night, students. I hope that you're having a wonderful night. In this video, we will look at how to add our doors in our floor plan. So it's a very simple way. Alright, so we can do this by going into the View tab at the top of your screen, and you're going to scroll over until you see Tool Palettes. You're going to click on that, and this window will open. So you have construction, you have annotation, you have architectural, you have mechanical. But we're going to go into the architectural. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to scroll down until you see metric sample. So you're going to go on door metric. You simply click on it, and it automatically will select. You can bring it out into the drawing space. Right? Good. So we know the amount of doors we want. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 door. So we're going to place this door 5 times. So 1, 2, need one here also, 3, 4, and 5, which is the last one. So now we have our 5 doors. We can close that. Also, we can access this by using the shortcut CTRL or Control 3. See that again? So I press CTRL, hold on it, then you're gonna press 3, and it will automatically open tool palettes for you. Okay? Then you're gonna go into architecture, it will do the same thing. Alright, so these doors, you're going to place them in the correct layer, which is the timber door layer. So you're gonna select everything. You're gonna go into the drop down arrow, and you're going to go on a timber door. You're gonna select that, and everything will be placed in that layer. Alright, so we know that we're gonna focus on the first door, which is the veranda or the patio. So we're gonna just bring this down here. So these arrow indicates the direction to which you want the door. If you want it to go to this side, you will click on that. But we don't want it to be that, so we're gonna go back. If you want the door to be on this side, the swing on the outside, click on that. So that is what we need right now. So we're going to move this door. Select the object. So I click on the object, then I press move. Then I'll select the point from which I want to move the door from. So this point, then now we're going to use this as the reference point, and we're going to bring it over until you see extension, and we're good. So ensure that extension is selected in the object snap. So ensure that it is selected so that you know that when you're extending something. Alright, for this door now, we can scale it. As you realize, as we scale it, it doesn't really touches onto the wall, right? So instead, we're going to select the door. We're going to click on scale. We want to scale it from this point, which is the end point of the door. And we're just gonna bring it, zoom up, and make an estimate, a very close estimate. Zoom up, and there we have it. Do you see that? Good. So now we're going to do the bathroom door for this door now. So which direction this door? So it's to it swings on the inside. So now we're going to just rotate that to the left, and we are just going to go and move now. So select the door, go on to move, select the reference point, which is here. Let me see. Good, yes, the reference point is from here. Place it there, and you're gonna just move it over until I say that come up. Boop. Then we are going to repeat the same process, which is scale, select from here, this point, then we're gonna scale it. There we have it, and we're just gonna do this for the rest of the doors. So boop, I want this to be on the downside, so I click on that. Then I'll press on move. Reference point for this door will be at this point, which is here. Look. This door. Need it to that side. Good. Go on to move. Select the reference point. So where is it coming from? Coming from this direction, from that wall. And we're going to press move. Select this point here. Then we're going to use the reference point, which is in this corner. We're going to just move it over to that point. Then we're going to now scale it. Good. Then for the bathroom now, which is the last door we have to insert. So it is to this direction. Here, down. For this now, I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to rotate this at a 90-degree angle. Sorry, you're going to rotate it. So go and rotate. I'm going to rotate it at a 90-degree angle. Good. And now we're going to bring it back to this side. And once we're finished doing that now, we're going to press move. And from this point, we're going to bring it here. Turn off back auto mode. Good. We're going to just go and bring it up. And there we have it. It's going to scale. And once you're finished scaling, there we have adding all of our doors. See you in the next video.